A brand's email signature is an essential tool for reinforcing its visual identity and increasing engagement. In this video, you'll see which elements are indispensable for creating a professional signature and how to do it. The main elements that a brand email signature needs to include are logo, contact information, phone, email, and address where relevant, icons, and links to social networks. These help to increase connection and engagement, call to action or CTA, and banner, optional but highly recommended to drive specific campaigns or desired actions. Next, we'll demonstrate how to add these elements using the Bybrand editor. Go to Bybrand and create a signature from a pre-created template. Add your company logo, adjusting its size and positioning as desired. Insert contact information, ensuring clarity and visibility. Add clickable icons for social networks such as LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook. Add a CTA for strategic actions. Add a promotional banner for special campaigns. Proofread quickly to check that all the elements are clearly organized. Save the signature. To use this signature, click on the Paste button in the email. You can also duplicate it and create a similar signature for another team member. Done. Now you know exactly what essential elements an email signature should contain and how to add them easily using Bybrand's editor. Start creating signatures today that reinforce your brand's digital presence in every email you send.